Good morning. This is Colin Clark, editor of Breaking Defense. We're in front of one of the 14 Chinese exhibitors here at the Paris Air Show. This is AOSSCI, and as you can see from the bump on their wall, the Chinese have certainly listened to what the United States and other leading aerospace powers are doing. They say that they're working on open source. They're doing innovation, intelligent flight platforms, self-developed software. You can almost think you're listening to Ash Carter talk about the Pentagon's future. As you can see, it's early in the morning here and everybody's still putting together the bits and bobs. But it's interesting to note that one of the most prominent Chinese exhibitors here is selling what looks like a civilian drone, but could of course have other uses. Colin Clark, Breaking Defense.